Hello, my name is Aaron Rose, and I'm a broker with RE/MAX Boone Realty, and I'm located in Columbia, Missouri. Columbia is located in the middle of Missouri and, of course, the United States.
Today I'm proud to show you a listing at 473 Foxfire Drive. This condominium is packed with amenities and upgrades, so let's get started. Come inside. Entering on upgraded flooring and passing this closet, our first of two living areas, our kitchen, upgraded countertops, new flooring, original wood cabinets, and all appliances are included. Our half bathroom, our second living area, and this steps out to the oversized deck, complete with storage. Moving upstairs, our first bedroom, complete with a full bathroom, bedroom 2, also with full bathroom, and this large closet. Landing downstairs, our third bedroom, and our last full bathroom, and another big closet. Plenty of storage under the stairs, and here's our utility room, washer and dryer, and tons of storage potential here. And this door steps out to our lower level patio. 473 Foxfire Drive not only sits in the very back of the cul-de-sac, facing woods, but its location is ideal. Literally minutes from downtown, campuses, hospitals, and everything needed. It proudly boasts upgraded brand new windows, new siding, soffit, and a brand new roof as of March 2019.
Again, my name is Aaron Rose, and I can be found on the web at goarose.com. That's GOAROSE.com. See you on the net. If you like this home or any other home, realize I'm only a mouse click or a phone call away.